how to share Notion page with others. So first go to Notion dashboard and then just choose the page that you want to share. So for example, I'll just choose this one. And then click on the share here at the top right corner. And then what you can do here, of course, before doing any of the sharing, you can adjust the general access of the people here that can access this page. So for the first one, only you and people people invited can access this page. And as for the second one, workspace members can access with the link. Okay, as for the third one, workspace members can access and discover in search. Okay, now after that, you can type in the email of the person that you want to share this page to, and then just click on invite, and then they just need to accept the invite in their email. Okay, you can also copy the link here and then share this to anyone, either WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook, or wherever you want. Then they just need to click on the link and you're done. So remember, the general access of the page is this one. Okay, let's customize this one however you want, and you're done. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.